Go ahead and close your eyes. Sit nice and tall. So connect with your breath. And actually open your eyes just for a moment. I want you to put your fingertips like this, fingertips and thumb. And just place this in front, this mudra with the thumbs pointing upwards and just in front of your heart center. Allow your eyes to be focused towards the tip of your nose or just gazing downwards. And inhale through the nose for 4 counts, chanting mentally, sa, ta, na, ma. And then exhale 2 rounds of sa, ta, na, ma through an O mouth. Inhale through the nose, sa, ta, na, ma. Exhale, mouth, sa, ta. 2 rounds. Inhale through the nose, sa, ta, na, ma. Exhale through the mouth, sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Inhale through the nose. Mental chant. Exhale through the mouth. Nose. Keep going with this pattern. 1 satanama on the inhale. 2 on the exhale. The inhale through the nostrils is just smooth. Really feel that navel pull as you do the exhale. Really focus in on that navel pull with each of the 8 exhales out. Then you'll be exhaling from the center of your mouth, which is the way we want to do this. Keep going. This breath is helping us to be here now, to let go of some past things that are holding you up, past limiting beliefs, past connections that block you. Wherever you are, begin to now take a deep breath in through the nostrils. Exhale through the nostrils. Let your hands come down, rest on your lap. Keep your eyes closed. Stay with the energy of that breath. Just moving to a long, deep breathing, settling into your body. Just listen to my cues. Start right now by asking, what's bugging you in your life. It could be at this moment, it could be something that happened today, something that keeps happening, but it's pretty much in your current experience. What's bugging you? I want you to visualize that specific thing as if you're there right now, experiencing this bother or this real irritation. Place yourself there. Notice how it feels. Notice the qualities of it. Notice where you're feeling, what sensations. Notice the level of intensity. Only allow yourself to feel this. Know that you are in a safe space. Feel it in your body. How do you want this to feel instead? Instead of the feeling you're feeling, what do you want to feel instead? Allow yourself to go there. Bring up that feeling. Notice where you feel it in your body. Notice any shifts. Notice the quality of it. Notice the intensity of it. And if it's a soft intensity, really keep feeling it, calling on it, this place where you'd rather be. Again, building that connection. Settle into this feeling. Let your body adopt it. And as you sit in this higher elevated space, can you recognize the need, the spiritual hunger underneath the original feeling that brought you to the feeling that you're at now, this more elevated experience? What was that need? It's a need to feel loved, to feel warm, to feel strong, decisive. What is it? Really connect that underlying need that you've now fulfilled with this sensation, this higher elevated space that you would like to be in. Stay there, let it fill your body, and just enjoy that space, that feeling. Now ask yourself, ask your heart, your guts, your soul, what do you need to get to this space? What do you need to do? What step or steps can you identify immediately? And let this come from your heart center, from your stomach, your soul, your feelings. If you feel yourself going into your headspace, just take a moment to get back into that feeling, that elevated feeling of where you want to be when these bothers happen. And ask again, ask your heart, what do you need to do? Notice what immediately comes up. Don't judge it, don't resist. Just allow it to be and explore with curiosity. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Just settle back into a normal breath. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And if you have a space to jot this down, jot down anything that came up for you. any notes of this feeling, this elevated feeling, where you would like to be when this thing that's bugging you, this thing that is in your current experience, when that happens, where you'd like to be, what step or steps came up for you. Again, no judgment, just write it down. So this wisdom gives you direction. It helps you to decide, and it helps you to connect with your desire, what you want right now, what you want, what you need.